Welcome to the annual meeting of the Committee to Preserve Dust Mites and Other All-Natural Particulates. Now, before we get started, I really think we just need to take a moment to acknowledge that John's breakup with Julia has really impacted me. John, we are here for you, okay? We're here for you. I will say it is absolutely unconscionable that she joined the Blaines chapter of the Alaska Committee to clean up dust mites and other all-natural particulates. It's all. It's all.
Look, I really appreciate you saying that. Look, I won that debate. But Julia thought it was a little much, and she broke up with me and became a mite. So here we are. And look, all I have left is you, the Blaines conservation of dust mites and other all-natural particulates, and I do not know what I would do without you. I love you guys.
And we love you, John, and we are here for you, okay? But down to business. So far, our email campaigns, our letter writing, it's just not moving the needle. We're getting the message out there, but we're not bringing more people over to our side, and we need more people to our side, okay? Because we need more power, we need to preserve the dust mites and all natural particulates. So today we're going to do a little bit of brainstorming. We need some fresh ideas, we need some new tactics. Okay, what do you got?
How about we do an in-person public comment blitz?
Yes.
Yeah, you rally the troops.
Go to assembly meetings.
Yes, tell them how the borough is building that missile plant.
Yes.
That are shills for the industry, and that
Big vacuum.
and the entire valley is going to be just polluted with the shrieking sound of industrial sucking. I mean, they'll do it, right?
It has to.
I think so.
Of course.
Right?
No, I think that's a good idea. But it is also the opposite of what I think we should be doing. So, because here's the thing, is that we're doing that, it's not moving the needle, okay? So, and you know what, honestly, you guys, we really don't have time to waste, because as you know, every day, thousands and thousands of beautiful, elegant, irreplaceable dust mites are being murdered across this town, destroyed by the mites.
Yeah, I know.
And we can't have that happen. And it's not that I don't agree with you, because I am with you on every single point, from the sucking to the suctioning to the shills. All of it is true. But we need to think outside of the box, okay? Outside of the box. We need something different. We need to shake it up.
Shake it up.
Okay, shake up.
Okay. Wait. Oh,
Okay.
I have an idea. Look, so much of our polarization across the political spectrum, it's so driven by our animosity against the other side. I mean, we do things in reaction to the people we hate. So what if, now listen, what if we actually protested in favor of the elimination of dust mites and other all-natural particulates?
Whoa. Okay. So you're saying, if we say that we want to eliminate dust mites and other all-natural particulates, which we do not.
We don't.
We do not.
Just say it.
But if we say it, then maybe the other side, if they hear us say that we want to eliminate dust mites and other all-natural particulates, then they'll say that they want to preserve dust mites and other all-natural particulates just because they hate us so much.
Exactly.
That is so crazy. I think it just might work.
I like it.
I think so too. And wait, I got an even better idea. When we're protesting, we can all hold up signs that says, "Julia doesn't want to make out with John." So like she'll want to make out with me again. And then rejoin our cause or whatever.
John, please, we have to put the big picture, the preservation of the dust mite habitat above your personal desire to kiss Julia.
All right, fine. All right, okay, no, you're right. I see the big picture.
Yeah, thank you. Okay. It's okay, but you know what? Let's move on, because now we've got work to do.
Yes.
Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. John, you're gonna make some signs.
Okay.
Everyone else, we're gonna rally the troops, okay? Let's protest!
Do it!
Go!
Facebook that the borough should hire another grant administrator?
Yes? I mean, I know that in the past, we would have completely supported a vote like that, but after thinking about it a little bit more, I just think it's not worth the taxpayer expense.
No, I totally agree, and Blaines Blabbers is totally blowing up about it right now.
Oh my God, look at what they're saying. Oh my God. You know what? Those guys, first of all, did you guys catch the radio show? Did you hear me on that?
Oh my God, you killed it.
I know, I
John
won.
has gone from eccentric to completely unhinged.
Because the industrial sucks.
It does industrially suck. Oh my
Besides,
God,
those guys are idiots. Total idiots.
They're the worst.
they are the worst.
Okay, guys. All right, now this is going to be tough. This is going to be tough. We are going to be advocating for the polar opposite of our most deeply held and cherished beliefs concerning the preservation of dust mites and other all-natural particulates. But you know what? We need to do it. We have to do it, and we can do it. So let's go.
We can do this.
Okay. All right, are we ready?
Yes.
Let's go. Okay. What do we want?
Yeah, the elimination.
Dust
Dust mites. Another all-natural particulates.
Okay, but when do we want it?
Never!
Okay, let's try again.
Okay.
What do we want?
The elimination of dust mites and other all-natural particulates.
It really does feel terrible. Okay, when do we want it?
No!
Sounds like those idiot Dusties are out there protesting again. Do they ever stop?
No, they're always just talking. They're complaining about the boroughs cleaning out the old studies and files.
Maybe if they had jobs, they'd have less time to
I know.
protest.
Always have something to say. Oh my God, so dumb. What?
Wait,
What?
what is it they're actually saying?
Who cares?
Listen, listen.
What are they? Are they agreeing with us?
Oh, wait.
That can't be right.
No, you're not going to believe this. They're saying that they want to get rid of the dust mites.
That's what we want.
No, wait, weird. They want to eliminate them. They want to get rid of the actual dust. They're agreeing with
No,
us.
but that means we can't agree with them.
No. Guys, this is great.
Is it?
No, we won. They're like on our side. That just makes me feel like.
I think that means we have.
I should be happy, but it doesn't feel right.
It's like they suck, but now I like. Ooh,
No, we can't agree.
I know what you feel. I feel like our rivals. There are rivals, but now I feel like it's valuable. Value. It is. No, you know what I'm gonna say. You know what I'm gonna say because it's crucial. It's crucial that we
Save the dust mites! What do we want?
to save the dust mites and other unnatural particulates.
And when do we want it?
Right now.
What do we want?
To save the dust mites and other unnatural particulates.
And when do we want it?
Right now. totally true.
I never want to make out with you again!
Guys, I totally want to make out with John right now.